Hi there, we're looking at question 2 of 2025 paper 2. Take note, it is again regional center paper, that means it's the regional one. So for every year there's always 2 papers coming out, one is the center and one is regional center. So take note, this is RC paper. So question 2 is only 5 marks on organic 1, so let's get started. So the first question here is just basically asking you what is the name of a process to separate crude oil. Okay, so name the process. Don't overthink this. There's the name or the process that we're using over here is fractional distillation. There are some wrong examples that I tend to see, like for example fractionating. Okay, these are wrong thing. So take note of the process name, fractional distillation. That's the way we separate crude oil. Next, we are looking at the lowest fractions. Okay, the lowest fraction is our bitumen. So sometimes they give more complex question, but here is very straightforward. 1 use of bitumen. So most students are able to recall this. This is surfacing road. This is other alternative they accept is they're used as tar. They're used for this year. I think they are really generous. They even allow making roads. Okay, so hardly see this in the past, but I would say the more precise word would be surfacing road. Okay, next we're going to look into an alkane. So they give you clues in the question. This is a display formula. Again, display formula shows all bonds. Okay, and they already mentioned that it's an alkane. So they want you to write the molecular formula of this alkane. Very simply, what you do is you just count the number of C, that is 4 of them, so it's C4, and you do the same for H's, and that would be 10 of them, so C4H10. Things to take note of that will make sure you get the marks. Okay, you don't want to lose marks unnecessarily. It's the subscript. Okay, you want to make sure that the 4 is written at the bottom and the 10 is written at the bottom as well, so that's subscript. Now if you write things like C4H10, same size, don't expect any marks given to you. Okay, so name this alkane. So since there are 4 carbon, okay, 4 carbon, then that is bute, and because it's from the alkane family, there's A and E at the back, so butane. If it's 3 carbon, then it's pro, and then the ending would be based on the family name, A and E, because this family is the alkane. Final question here is the general formula of alkane. So there is again a memory. This is again a memory question in my opinion. So the answer is CnH2n plus 2, as you can see over here. Again, what I will need you to take note of would be the subscript. Okay, yeah, they are written at the bottom. Subscript. Don't write things like CnH2n plus 2. I hardly come across things like that, but I'm just exaggerating so that you'll be conscious of what the examiner is looking out for, and that is the n value and the number value are written as a smaller unit. Okay, so this is a really short video, but it would get you started on paper 2. See you in the next one.